Funky D, Funky D. Welcome back to Funky D News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again. Yes, the DSS, the APC and PDP, the Nigerian failed politicians, the Nigerian cabals, the northern cabals, una don gang up again against Comrade Omoyele Sowore. Una don gang up again. I wonder, those people wanna know say na then they give herdsmen gun, they go kill. When they supply Boko Haram gun and bombs, ammunitions. When they say una know who them be, una know who they sponsor Boko Haram, una when be Nigerian APC, una when be Nigerian DSS, una when be Nigerian army, una when be Nigerian police, una know people when they supply Boko Haram, herdsmen, including ISWAP, una know people when they supply them things, when they take the kill innocent Nigerian people every day by day. Una never fit arrest any of them one day. Atiku Abubakar, they challenge Jubri 247. Una never even Atiku they talk what they happen in that country now. Una never fit arrest Atiku Abubakar. Those people when we say they carry our millions and trillions, one they see every day by day. Una never fit arrest any of them one day. Now where Sowore dey, Omoyele Sowore, now where he dey, una go they get power. Like say he get one thing or the other when una sabi do. Now, arresting Sowore not make any sense. Arresting Sowore, that is, in fact, we never stop the revolution. Arresting Sowore will never stop anything because we know say millions of Sowore then they out there in that country when they ready to stand, to fight with their last blood based on this revolution. According to the news, we hear say DSS then go where Sowore they stay, go arrest the guy because the guy they against Nigerian political oppressors. That is the people when they oppress Nigerian citizens. The people when keep Nigeria the way when it day today. Sowore they talk. In fact, every single thing when they happen in that country, the way when it's supposed to be, now so Sowore they talk. Why can't be say our country? Every good things, they know they allow that thing to last long. Every good people in our country, now him all these politicians them, then they lay hand on. But the Mayati Allah, the Fulani people, the herdsmen people, the Boko Haram people, they know they reach them. Now when they want to arrest Sowore, now you see say they get 4 trucks full loaded with the militaries and DSS. When they want to go arrest Sowore, but if Boko Haram kill, herdsmen kill, ISWAP kill, we know they see them carry 4 trucks. We know they see them they feed the fight. Now only where Sowore they will get weapon. When herdsmen did, and where herdsmen did, they get weapon. Where Boko Haram did, now toy gun that they carry. So, ladies and gentlemen, arresting Sowore will not stop any revolution. In fact, this is free Sowore. Sowore not do una anything. In fact, the man not commit anything. They never even start the revolution. Why can't be say una go arrest innocent person Based on what? Wetin be the crime when Omoyele Sowore don't commit? I dey ask Nigerian DSS. Funky D say in the ask Nigerian DSS where then go arrest this gentleman when not do them anything. This one at the hand of APC Kabas. This one at the hand of Jubri Aminu Al-Sudani. This one at the hand of many people when they into that APC evil government. Now, when be Nigerian people problem. Jubri, Funkidi don't tell you before, say now you be the Nigerian people problem. You and the Northern Kabas. Last time, na him army general when be Borata come and talk say they release 155 Boko Haram people. When they say, according to them, say they don't repent. Now, na Omoyele Sowore. I wonder whether Sowore na una Boko Haram, abi Sowore na una Hesmin, abi Sowore loot una money, abi Sowore thief una. Because una when be say na una they thief the money, una they loot the money, una no they arrest anybody. Somebody when be say innocent man will not do anything, will not commit any crime anywhere. Na him, una they carry 4 trucks full loaded with DSS people, go intimidate and oppress the man again. Person when they on their own. But the people when they commit the rape crime, look at Okorocha, what Okorocha do to Imo State people. Abi make we begin call on our name again this morning. We go begin mention on our name. Look at Oshomole, when carry plenty money, when he take the primaries in Osun State. Nothing happened to Oshomole. Okorocha, nothing happened to Okorocha. Okorocha looted Imo State hands down. Nothing happened to Okorocha. Look at Akpabio. 108 billion naira scam. Look at Afabata scam. Osebanjo, billions of dollars. Abina Tunubu, bullion van, 2 billion van. Fully loaded with trillions. Nothing they happen. That one not commit crime. Somebody when be say, if they talk say, una not they put on the country not they okay. In fact, the whole country, everybody in Nigeria knows say Nigeria now the last place to even to visit. Even to visit at this moment. In this Jubri's era. Make una put things in place for people. Now him be crime. Make una do good to, for Nigerian people. Now him be crime. Make una give us electricity. Now crime. So why una can't go arrest somebody when we say and not do una anything? Whether una like it or not. The revolution na confirm. Whether una arrest Sowore, it no go stop the revolution. Ladies and gentlemen. Funky D say, he no go stop the revolution. Make una leave Sowore alone. Release Sowore. Free Sowore. Now be this one, ladies and gentlemen. Sowore not do na anything. The people one are supposed to go after. Una they go after them. The people, when they destroy the nation, una they go after them. Now people will not do una anything. Look at even the scam when they say called Saraki, ladies and gentlemen. See today, now up and down that they talk. Up and down. Atiku don't rob Nigeria hands down. Una never one day arrest Atiku. Atiku don't loot Nigerian people hands down. Una never one day say una they go arrest Atiku. Na Sowore will not do una anything because the man they talk about revolution. Revolution is coming down, whether una like it or not. It day on una domot. Arresting Sowore not they stop anything. In fact, now the revolution get meaning. So make una not waste time. Go free Sowore. As una take pick am, make una just release them immediately. People when they do the things what they do in that country, Una know if they do them anything. Last time, RCCG pastors, when they travel, they go do what they do in their fake church. Boko Haram, Esmin, the kidnappers, they don't kidnap them. Up to today, una no fit say anything. Then that one what they call their general overseer, that one they there. Still they support Evo. They support Osebanjo, they there. They support Buhari. I don't tell una before say this thing go reach all of una. One after the other. And I wonder why people like that man, they support Buhari. But we don't say that them put in Buhari. But we know say that because of this man recall Osebanjo, now make that man see they support the evil what they do in Aso Rock. Look at in Enugu State again. Another pastor. And when I tell us say una don't defeat Boko Haram. When we don't already know say una don't defeat anything. Boko Haram don't open their mouth talk say una not defeat they fight them. The army, the Borata don't open mouth say una not defeat they fight them. Say you not fit fight them again. You not fit fight Boko Haram again. Now Showore when done on na him because in the tell me see Nigeria don't jaga I make ona go arrest her. The revolution when you talk about revolution never starts. Committing the man not commit anything. So waiting be the reason when una they take arrest Showore. So now the thing when we talk since una when be the Nigerian APC people now una they spoil that nation. Now una they set a fire to that country. Una when be APC sick politicians. Now una be Nigerian people problem. So ladies and gentlemen, make una stand up. This is the time for that real revolution. This is the time for change. Una when be Nigerian people, una when be Nigerian youth, make una stand up. Make una stand up. Now only people when be say they won't bring change or they won't bring better thing to that country. Now him Buhari people they clamp down. I be they clamp down according to the English word they use. They say that they clamp them down. Now as it be now they talk like say then clamp show right down. We don't know if we clamp show right down. We don't know if we clamp the revolution now because everybody now they are aware. Everybody now don't know see man. This government now fake government. This government not believe in any good thing. This government not believe in you. When be Nigerian person, they not believe in you. The only thing when them believe now our money. I make them they there. Just our money. Waiting be the reason why when una take arrest Showore, una don't do the one una do in a election period. Rig the guy out, do everything una do, nobody tell una anything. Now, una try to scatter the AAC, una not fit. Now, to arrest the man because una see say una not fit do anything. I think say all of una get iron heart for inside una on top una hearts. Revolution never start. APC don't already scatter. Revolution never start. PDP already, all of them don't they panic. Jubri, Abakiare, Mama Daura, Isa Fatua, all of Unasha Buhari, Festus Keyamu, Osebanjo, Oshomole, Tunubu, Funkidi say revolution never start. All of una don't they panic. I think say una they commonize Showore. I think say una say the man not fit do anything. I think say una mind na rock. Na say una not get mind. No wonder. No wonder. Revolution never start. Aso Rock Villa don't scatter. Revolution never start. APC people, they don't scatter because they know say Nigerian people already say enough is enough to all these oppressions. Enough is enough to all these killings. Enough is enough to all this looting. Enough is enough to all this robbery. Enough is enough to all this intimidation by APC government led by Jubri Aminu Al-Sudani from Khartoum. I think say na rock una get for una heart, say una no dey shake. So Sowore never even make move. All of una don't scatter. Everybody don't fall. Everybody don't scatter. Revolution never start. Aso Rock don't tear down. I think say una go wage war. I don't know say una dey fear like this. All of una when they there, the incompetent APC government. Now I know say all of una na coward. And now Funky D know say all of una na coward. You get. So the DSS or whatever una they call on herself, that place where una carry the guy go. In fact, Funky D say make una just the release Sowore before it is too late. The revolution must come to pass because the revolution don't already come to stay, and the revolution must, happen in that country where they call Obodo wickedness. That is Nigeria. Don't be see now the good people now that they chase the bad ones. Now them be the good ones. Then the good ones now they come be the bad people. I never understand. Una carry AK-47 give herdsmen people. They kill Nigerian people on daily basis. Nothing. Nobody they arrest Fulani people with AK-47. Nobody they arrest them. Then they patrol up and down everywhere in the street, in the township, in the village, everywhere then they. Nobody they arrest them. So Sowore will not do anything. I see una won't lay hand upon. Una no go succeed. We won't be Nigerian people. Now we go succeed. We must to succeed on this revolution. So ladies and gentlemen, if you did that Lagos, did that Benin, anywhere where you did in that country where they call Nigeria, make una stand up for that revolution because now the revolution set. Now the revolution set well. Now the matter when I get for una. Today be that. When I see Boko Haram and herdsmen, una defeat a shake body, na only where Sowore dey. Una see, una get ammunition, una get gun, una get bulletproof, una get 4 trucks, but when herdsmen and Boko Haram do, una no defeat they load anybody, una no defeat they carry people, una no defeat they carry gun. And that time una see, una get rubber bullets. But where Sowore dey, una get real bullets. And I get van come they wanna come take stop the guy, the man what they call Sowore. Make una go find the kidnappers where then they. Make una go find the herdsmen where then they. Make una go find the Boko Haram where then they. Make una go find ISWAP where then they. Jubril government. Una know where then they. Now una they sponsor them. Now, una bring all this calamity to Nigerian people. Una won't be APC government. Make una leave Sowore alone. The DSS won't go carry Sowore. This one now big mistake. Now they make so make una release Sowore as soon as possible. Now this word when Funky D get for now. Sowore never even do anything. Revolution never even start. Aso Rock don't scatter. I think see una carry iron chest. I don't know see now. Now bread chest now I get. Now not get, you understand. So we could not know what they do. We could not go live Sowore alone. Revolution. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, we could not share this video. Share and scatter. We could not forget to subscribe to Funky D worldwide. And again, if you get any comment, when you want comment based on this Sowore matter, make you comment. Sowore a nice person when one put Nigeria. When one put all these things, when APC and PDP they do, when anyone arrest them so that calmness will come to that country because the heat when APC government and PDP they give to Nigerian people and something when Funky say you never see them anywhere before. Make una share my video, make una share this video, scatter, share and give all these people, make you lead Jubril hand. This plan when you don't start with the plan, make una ready Funky D say, make una when be APC and PDP ready and leave Sowore alone. Leave Sowore out of una matter. Na revolution we when be Nigerian people. We want them and we want them very urgently. Thank you everybody and God bless. Funky D worldwide.